Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. And if you're new here, my name is Emily and I basically love to make videos about anything that sparkles, so jewelry, fashion, Disney, my guinea pigs, and of course tea. Anyway, for this video, I'm going to be sharing an unboxing of a ring from Kate Sparkle Jewelry. And what's really cool is they actually contacted me and wanted to know if I would be interested in doing an honest review about one of their rings. Now, I had never heard of the brand before, so I wanted to do some research first and A, to figure out, is this something that I would genuinely purchase myself? And B, is this something that I feel like you guys would also be interested in seeing a video about? So I went on the website and I found like a variety of different styles, and they're very unique and innovative, but there are also some very classic, timeless styles. Like some of them really made me feel they'd be a great like alternative engagement ring, wedding ring option, but there are also ones that would be great like gifts to give to friends, to loved ones, and then of course there was like quite a few rings that I actually liked for myself, the style. So I think I found like about 5 rings that I actually saved on my web browser that I fell in love with. So everything is like handcrafted in 925 sterling silver, which is great for me because I have very sensitive skin. And then the other really cool thing is that they use real stones. Now, this is something that I wish Pandora still did. You guys know me, I love moonstone, I love topaz, I love rose quartz, I love opal. Like there's a variety of stones, semi-precious stones that I just love. And that's what really intrigued me about Kate Sparkle, was that they actually do use natural stones. So that got me so excited. The other thing that was also kind of a neat surprise was they're very affordable and competitively priced. So I'm trying to kind of remember roughly like the price ranges that I saw, but I saw some rings at $58. I think the average might have been like around $90, and the most expensive ring I found was $199, and that ring looked more to be like a really special like wedding band. Like I actually think it would be perfect as a wedding ring. So there's quite a lot of options for different styles. But the other cool thing is that every ring was very unique and had a very designer feel about it. So that all intrigued me. So I said yes, like I would love to do an honest review about this product. Now, the only thing that I am really curious about is the ring that I ordered, which you guys will see in a minute. It's a thinner band, and in my experience, some bands, when they're thinner, like they bend more easily. So that's the one thing that I kind of want to check the quality of, if that's going to be an issue or not, because I had a sterling silver ring that I loved so much, but it was such a thin band that it kept getting kind of wonky and bent out of shape. So that's one thing I kind of want to test, is the durability of the sterling silver. I also got a rose plated ring, so I'm curious to see kind of how the plating wears and things. So that stuff I might do like an updated review for you guys later on, because that'll be more of like a wear test, where this will be my first impressions of the ring. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started in the unboxing. So I'm just opening this up with my scissors. Okay, so we have the box open. I need to do the sides. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Thank you for your support. We can't wait to see how beautiful the ring looks on you. Tag us in your reveal using #KateSparkleJewelry so we can share your sparkle with the rest of our community. So this is so beautiful inside, you guys. Like, this would be like a beautiful wedding gift, like also to send someone, because it has like the ivory and that beautiful like baby blue. I also call it like the Cinderella blue. It's so pretty. And it has like some beautiful little tissue inside. First impression of just opening it up, it's so beautiful. Like it looks like a little care package. It's so pretty. And I love that they included like a little note. Like that's really sweet. I love that. Oh my goodness, and it comes with a, oh that's so cute. So if you're giving a gift, it comes with like a beautiful bag and the bow. That's so sweet. And then we have a win a $500 shopping spree. How to enter: take a photo wearing your Kate Sparkle jewelry to take your photo with Kate Sparkle jewelry. So that's like a little pamphlet of it. And then they have a beautiful little insert with some of their rings on the back, which is really pretty. Okay, now we're down to the box and we get to open it. I'm really excited at all the anticipation. So here's the little box. It's really pretty. It's a nice square shape and it says Kate Sparkle on the outside of the box. Let's open it. Let's see. I'm actually really excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. It's so romantic but very dainty. I love the rose quartz. I still can't believe they use like natural stones. Like, that's really exciting. Okay, I'm gonna take it out, you guys. Okay, the first thing that I just want to tell you guys, so I got 2 rings, they're stackable, and it actually feels really strong, really durable. I'm not actually worried at all about these bending. They're very, like, it's actually quite strong and thick. It's not as skinny as I was expecting it to be, like the bands like around it, so that's beautiful. Now they do have cubic zirconia as the detail in this halo ring. It looks really pretty. They look very bright. That's one thing that stands out to me. They look very, very bright. And they're more on the whiter side. It looks really pretty with that pale rose quartz, like the pink detail. Like, I actually love how that looks. Their rose gold is really pretty. It's very like a soft rose color. My Pandora, actually, to compare it if you guys want to see the Pandora rose versus this. I like both though. Both are pretty. Very shiny. The 925 sterling silver looks really good. Yeah, this is actually really lovely quality. Now I wouldn't be too worried. All the stones are set really well. Like, they don't look like they would fall out easily, or if one of the tongs got caught in something, I don't see them being pulled out and you losing a stone. It looks well made. Oh, and that's one thing I wanted to look up too, like what their warranty was. It's a 1-year warranty, so 365 days. Okay, that looks really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna take off, I have 2 Pandora rings on here. I'm just gonna take this off. I love that they're stacked. I can wear them like separate, or I can like wear them together, which is really cool. And let me see, I'm gonna put it this way. Here we go. It's pretty, that's the ring. It's called the Adore ring. So it's a natural rose quartz with, I think I mentioned this earlier, but the gold plated rose gold. And that's one thing, like I mentioned before, like I will let you guys know how that wears. With plating, I'm always kind of cautious a little bit, so I like to test it out. But so far, I'm actually really impressed with the quality. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm getting distracted by the ring. It's really pretty. It's a very Emily ring. I feel like you guys will probably agree with that. This is such a me ring. Like, it's very romantic and dainty and kind of has like a little hint of magic to it, which I love. And I'm also excited because I feel like I could stack this with my other Pandora rings too, and it'll look really pretty. The ring on its own is really nice, like that teardrop shape. It's very unique. And I love that you can stack it with other rings. Just for fun, I just want to put it next to my wedding band. That looks kind of cool. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you guys can see in the finder. Maybe. My wedding band, in case you guys didn't know, my wedding ring set is also rose gold. So it's kind of, I always love to wear some like rose accent rings as well, because I feel it complements my wedding ring set really, really nicely. Speaking of which, when I was browsing their website, they had a lot of really pretty like alternative engagement ring, wedding ring like options, and that was really cute because it kind of reminded me of my husband and I when we first graduated from school, so university, college, that stuff. I don't know if I actually ever talked about this to you guys, but this ring that I wear on this finger that you guys probably see in all my videos, he gave this to me as our engagement ring when we first graduated. So like, I think a couple of weeks after we graduated from school, he proposed to me, and it was with this ring, which is really, really special and beautiful. We didn't have a ton of money at that time. We were just just graduated. So we were just kind of starting our lives together and things like that. So this ring was really, really special and very meaningful. We now call it my promise ring because it's cute, because he proposed with this one and then he re-proposed again with this wedding ring set, which is the one over here. So this is the ring he proposed with, and then this is the wedding band. So this kind of is now my new engagement ring, and then this is now my promise ring. But it's very special to me, and it kind of brings me back back to that time of my life, which I think is really cool and special. Kind of getting off sidetrack there, but that's what I loved about viewing their website, was that there was some really affordable like price ranges. So depending on where you at in your life stage, or maybe you don't want diamonds and things like that, I thought there was some really great options there as well. Also for bridesmaid gifts, like I kind of wish I had known about this brand when I was shopping for my wedding and my bridesmaids. I got them little, like, I think you guys probably would have seen it. It's quite a common design. It's little leaves kind of intertwining. Pandora would have been a good option. I should have done Pandora. But I had ordered from Etsy some silver leaf rings and they were really pretty. But looking at Kate Sparkle, I think they'd have some beautiful bridesmaid gifts as well and very reasonably priced. This ring, I think it retails for $84 Canadian, which I think is really good. Like I can totally see myself spending that on a ring like this because it's very unique. The detail is cool and it's for 2 rings. What they were telling me is that they have no like middleman, which is why they're able to offer some really competitive price points. So that's really cool. The other cool thing, I'm kind of getting sidetracked, but I wanted to know a little bit more history about them just so I could kind of have an idea of the company, who they are, things like that. They're actually based in Toronto. So if you're Canadian like me, I always get excited when I find out that designer or jeweler or whatever it is, if they're based in Canada, that always gets me excited. Like David's Tea, I love that they're Canadian. And yeah, like overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of the ring. It feels really strong, like I mentioned, and it makes me actually quite curious about the other rings that I fell in love with on their websites. I'd also love to know your thoughts on this ring and on the brand. Have you heard of Kate Sparkle before? Have you ever ordered from them? Overall, like, I love the packaging. I think this would be a great thing to give to friends or family or things like that. Like, so pretty, like a very lovely experience just opening. The presentation is so lovely. And the products they have are just beautiful, beautiful options. So anyway, that's it for this unboxing. Please let me know what you think, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys. I also wanted to let you guys know that Kate Sparkle was kind enough to offer a special discount code for you guys. So you're welcome to use EmilyD30 at checkout if you find a special ring that you love or a nice gift for a friend.